Welcome to ODeX, a unified platform revolutionizing maritime trade. From seamless document management to streamlined interorganizational workflows, robust government compliance tools, and integrated payment solutions, we've crafted a single digital ecosystem that empowers your business to navigate the complexities of global shipping with unparalleled ease and efficiency. This user guide explains how to place a request for pickup instruction as it replaces the current pre-call to pre-arrival document. Visit ODeX website, www.online.odexglobal.com. Customers can set instructions by clicking the BL dashboard. Customers have multiple options to search for the shipment by using the search option of BL number, container number, shipment number, vessel name, voyage number, or invoice number in the search option. The icon next to the BL number provides more information about the BL. After clicking on the specific BL number, click on the instruction place to proceed with the pickup instruction request. Select Pickup Instruction option from the drop-down, which will redirect customers to the necessary interface for mapping pickup instruction. Customer must fill in all the mandatory fields highlighted with an asterisk, such as pickup location and user remarks, if applicable, and then submit your request. Once the shipment is successfully delegated, the pickup instruction will appear with the submitted status against the BL number as shown. Additionally, monitoring your events becomes effortless with the instruction dashboard accessible through the toggle navigation feature. Under the instruction dashboard, you will be able to view all the instruction submitted on ODeX with the status and the latest timestamp of the event. This completes an end-to-end process of pickup instruction on ODeX. Simplify and streamline global shipping. Start your ODeX journey now.